Hi, I'm Peter Raghavan, the volunteer president of Foodchester, the nonprofit that runs the Pleasantville Farmers Market. Our market has been part of the community since 1998, starting with just a few vendors behind the bookstore in the summer and fall, and growing to over 55 vendors operating year-round in Memorial Plaza. Running a big market as a nonprofit requires lots of helping hands. We have to wear many hats. Our volunteers, 17 board members and over a dozen middle and high school students, care deeply about the community and put in many hours to make sure that our market runs smoothly. Because of COVID, we've had to suspend our in-market programming. Our market has always been a place where you could start your weekend catching up with friends, listening to music, before picking up some great food. These days, we still offer the same great food, but our focus has shifted to getting shoppers in and out of the market quickly and safely. All winter, we're wondering how to reconnect with you and share tips and ideas without slowing down your visit. So this year, we're trying something new. This video series, Market Moments. Every month, we'll share all kinds of tips. Videos launch in early May. Look for them on our Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube, and our website, pleasantvillefarmersmarket.org. And please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for being part of the Pleasantville Farmers Market community.